Assalamualaikum viewer. Today our topic is stage of the sensory motor period. I request you to channel, subscribe my channel, like and share. Come back to topic and start video. To help you grasp to overall structure of the Pegget's description of the stage in early cognitive development. Here is a brief review of the basic concept of his theory that were described in chapter 2. Piaget believes human beings inherit two basic tend- tendencies: organization, the tendency to the combined process into mm, coherent system, and the adoption, the tendency to the adjust to the environment. Adoption occur through two complementary processes: assimilation, the tendency the incorporate experiences into one's view of the world, and the accommodation, the tendency to modify one the conception of the reason to new inconsistent experiences. These various tendencies lead to the development of the schemes, organized pattern of the behavior. Piaget refer to the first 2 years as the sensory motor period because of the child developments. Scheme the family through sensory motor activities. There are 6 stages in this period. Stage 1: birth on 1 month. The second behavior of the neonates illustrates how the infant begins to develop schemes. Piaget began to observe his children immediately after they were born by sitting next to the cradle and making detailed description of their behavior. He recorded how the rooting and the sucking reflex were the aroused the first time the babies had a opportunity of feed. He then noticed that as early as the second day, various variation of these basic response began to appear. The first variation was that the babies made sucking movement between feedings. The next was that they would suck almost anything that touched their lips. For example, their thumbs or a blanket. Before the end of the first month, they engaged in sucking for the sake of the exercise, thumb sucking in the addition to the sucking for the sake of food. From these changes in the behavior, Piaget the concluded that as early as the first day of life, the baby assimilates and the accommodates to from schemes regarding sucking activities. Stage 2: primary curricular reactions. Primary circular reactions after the first month of the complexity of the behavior of the child develops at the accelerated pace, basically through what play gets referred to the primary circular reaction, which takes place with the infant engages in the activity by chance or the intervention of the appearance. That's it for today. Come back in next video.